Okay, Rosie and I are getting ready. It is a travel day. We are going to go to Hohenwald, Tennessee. Really excited. We're going to check out some stuff. We're going to go to 1,000 Trails. We're going to check out the Oliver Travel Trailer Company. Very cool. Can't wait to see how they're going to make this in the factory. And just see all the sights. So come along with us. I have to enjoy these moments because, as you can see, I still have a bit of a new van with only 3,900 miles on it, but it is 87 degrees outside. So time to get on the road. Okay, so this is cool. We're at the Oliver Travel Trailer showroom, and we're actually going to go through the factory as well. These are really, really neat, and they've got a lot to offer. Got two different floor models. One's a little smaller, one's a little bigger. So let's show you the inside and see what you think. All right, so this is the Legacy Elite. It is the smallest in their fleet. It is super, super cute. For all my friends who keep wanting to know about a tiny little tow behind that is quality, this is what it looks like. This is so cute. Look at this. So they've got a dinette that of course makes into a bed. Got a nice little kitchen. There we go. Look at this. Little fridge. Gonna show me, hello everybody. I feel like I'm Matt's RV Reviews, the 3 things that I love and the 3 things that I dislike, but honestly there's a lot of things in here that I love. Okay, now it is a wet bath. Look at this, really cute. Lots of storage for a little space. And I love how they have these overhead compartments. Okay, how I open it. There you go. Isn't that neat? They're like locked. What a great idea. Okay, this is the Legacy Elite 2. This is the longer version. Really cool. Similar concept, just a bigger floor plan. Let's see what all this has to offer here. You walk in, you've got your dinette. Oh, I see they've got the bed separated. Looks familiar. Like this. Really cool kitchen area. Really nice size fridge. Very nice. Lots more space so you don't have to take apart the bedroom area. Let's open this. I love these latches, by the way. These are so cute. Look at that. They're thinking of everything these days. And then we're going to go back to the bathroom, and I'm going to wave again, say hello everybody. And I believe we have another wet bath, but it's very spacious. These toilets are a bit high. Have to get used to that, but really cute. So your name is?
I'm Phil Andrews.
And Phil, you've been with Oliver Travel Trailer for how long?
Going on 12 years.
12 years, that's
Yes,
so
ma'am.
exciting. And you've done everything from work in the factory, now you're in sales.
That's correct, yes.
And so what are some of the key points that make Oliver Travel Trailers, you know, the best?
Stand out. Sure. So the Oliver Travel Trailers, first and foremost, you want to consider 4 seasons travel. The Oliver is the one that you want. It's a double hull travel trailer, so you have the outer fiberglass, gel coated fiberglass, and then the inner molded fiberglass as well. So that's good for a number of reasons. You've got the insulation between those two shells, gives you the 4 seasons capabilities. And then the molded nature of the cabinetry and stuff like that means that this stuff is not going to fall off, you know, over time. It's not ever going to become detached from the walls or anything. So just a very durable, long-lasting travel trailer that you can camp in all year round.
If you like products that are made in the USA, this is definitely something you need to check out. The craftsmanship is amazing, and these guys do everything. Really, really cool.
This is all milled out and welded by us. If you do everything yourself, your quality control is so much better. That's one thing, that's why we try to do as much as we can ourselves. We do all the metal work, we do all the fiberglass work ourselves. Even in the fiberglass department, it's not automated, it's all done by hand. It's chopped, sprayed in, and hand rolled. So we try to keep down on any delaminations or cracks or anything like that within the fiberglass. We do it all by ourselves, and we do it all by hand. The fiberglass, this actually sits, the belly sits down in here, but it actually comes up, this rail sits in a groove. So it does sit in there, but it's not pulling and tugging at it. Pretty much it just sits down in this with an overlap, and we got it bolted to the actual frame itself. Here's where everything starts to come together. When the frame, or chassis and sub-chassis comes together, it is actually rolled, actually through that side of the room we were just in. It goes back here, the bottom hole, the bottom outer hole is attached to the chassis. And then it goes back there, I call it the cutting room or sanding room, whatever you want to call it. But they get it ready to come out. They'll cut the holes in it, because when it comes out of the molds, it's all one solid piece. Now this is the only insulation within the trailer. Now the silver side is a radiant heat barrier, the other side is a condensation barrier.
I would highly recommend you come check out the sales center, but more importantly, come take the tour of the factory, because they do offer tours of the factory, and you'll get to learn a lot more about the process and about the product. So check them out, Oliver Travel Trailers in Hohenwald, Tennessee.
All right, we are on our way to the Junkyard Dog. It sounds like some kind of interesting restaurant. We've gotten 3 people who said we gotta try this. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna go to Junkyard Dog and we're gonna see what they have to eat. I have been told that they have a Cuban fish sandwich, because you know, when I think Tennessee, I think, you know, Latin fish sandwich. But hey, it's worth a shot. Let's try it out. Let's check this place out. Okay, we're gonna go check out Junkyard Dog Steakhouse. I've been told they got an amazing sandwich. We'll check it out and see what it's like.
got our to-go food, and we're going to go eat in the van so we can hang out with the puppers. There she is. Okay, let's take a look at this, see how yummy this is. Heard so many good things. Ooh, this does look yummy. Okay, this is the fish sandwich with sweet potato fries. Looks really good with that slaw. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. So something that most people don't know about in Hohenwald, Tennessee is they have the Elephant Discovery Center. There's an elephant sanctuary in Tennessee. It's really, really cool. We got lots of amazing things to think about and learn all about elephants in Tennessee. All right, so it's been an amazing day. We've done a lot of really cool things, but Rosie Bell and I are both really, really tired. So we're gonna get ready. We're gonna edit a little video tonight and then get back on the road tomorrow. Thanks for joining us on our trip to Hohenwald, Tennessee. I had a great time and hope to be back in the area real soon. Please like and subscribe to follow us on our fun journey as we venture throughout the United States. And thanks for being our forever best friend.